This press conference we are taking today for the people to know what is the truth. See, there is a lot of allegation and people believe that they are right and we are wrong. It is the other way. See, allegations are there from the opposition. Opposition चार लोक पळय हा पळय तालिगांव तांचे एलिगेशन कितें इल्लीगल फिलिंग इल्लीगल पंचायत घर बट I want to tell the people of Taligaon and full of Goa because someone was shouting people of Goa should know. I am saying whatever we have done through a process. The process of acquisition started when my Janubab Sarpanch Ashillo Inga. It started when he was there. It started in 2004. Land acquisition process. Janu will give a few insight of it, what it is, how it started.
तुम्ही सगळे जाण आसतले की तालिगांव पंचायत ही स्टार्टींग काजो पोवन आसली एक धाकट्याशा रुमान आनी ती ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड आसली पूण जेन्ना म्युनिसिपालिटी कन्वर्शन जावन आमकां पंचायत येयली 2003 एक वर्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उरलें 2004 फर्स्ट इलेक्शन जालें आफ्टर म्युनिसिपालिटींतली पंचायत हाडली आनी त्या टायमार फर्स्ट बॉडी आनी त्या बॉडीचो हांव सरपंच आसलो आनी इट वॉज 2004 जेन्ना आमी आमची बॉडी बसली तेन्ना आमकां दिसलें की आमी एक धाकट्याशा रुमान आसा आनी आमी डिसायड केलें की आमकां एक पंचायत घर आमचें तालिगांव पंचायतचें जावचें तेका लागून आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलें तें रेजोल्युशन आमी ग्रामसभेक अप्रूव करून घेतलें ग्रामसभान सुद्दां आमकां कन्सेंट दिलें की बाबा हे आमची जावची उपरांत आमी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केलो आनी कोमुंदार जितली सुद्दां आमी NOC घेतली NOC घेतल्या उपरांत आमी फुडलो प्रोसिजर आमचो स्टार्ट केलो आनी 2000 म्हाजो सेक्रेटरी आसलो 2007 आमकां एवॉर्ड मेळ्ळो ओके एवॉर्ड मेळून पोजिशन पयशे फारीक केले आमचे रावंड अबाउट 4 lakhs आनी पोजिशन आमचे घेतले सो आफ्टर दॅट कंप्लेंट येयली कोणाची शेतकारांची ती शेतकाराची कंप्लेंट येयल्या उपरांत आमी ती शेतकाराची कंप्लेंट फॉरवर्ड केली BDO की आमी जे पोजिशन केलां तें तुमी विथड्रॉ करचें म्हणून जेन्ना आमी BDO फॉरवर्ड केले BDO ना ते मागीर रिजेक्ट जाले सो एवॉर्ड एंड इक्विशन आमच्या पंचायतीच्या अंडर उरले सो BDO थ्रू BDO सांगले की कॅन्सल करूंक जायना ऑलरेडी एवॉर्ड जाला
See, once the award is done, the acquisition process is complete. It cannot be revoked because the powers are such that if we don't want the land, it goes to the government. It doesn't go to anybody. So, as an allegation by Kurta, it is false allegation in air. And आमी तेजेर निश्चित करता आनी आमी लोकां कडेन मागता पळय आमी कितें करता पळय लोकांचे तालिगांवच्या लोकांक आमी बरें तें करतले वी आर हियर एज अ बॉडी टू डू गूड फॉर द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव आख्खे गोंयचो लोक गमपाक जाय म्हणून ती सोशल मिडिया आमी यूज करिना दीस इज द फर्स्ट प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आय एम टेकिंग आय थिंक जानू मायट हॅव नॉट टेकन इवन अ प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स बिकॉज वी आर सायलेंटली वर्किंग वी डोंट टेल द वर्ल्ड आमचो लोक जाणा आमी कितें करता तें मॅडम बाबूश पयलो आशिल्लो आमचो MLA he has done what people knows people don't need any clarification we don't want an outsider to come and dictate to us what we need to do आता मॅडम आसा she knows what is good for people of Taligaon we are doing dirtiest work what we need to do cleaning of drains cleaning of nala हे म्हणून तूं सांगनासतना सगळीं कामां आमी करता लोकांची we had a Zilla Panchayat election and she is a candidate. We as Panch members, we have gone to each and every one's houses and whatever work they had said, I think all the Panch members should agree with me that 90% of it is already done. So उरला कितें? We are listening only of allegation. आयज तांकां पळोवंक जायना बाबा आमी इतलें काम करता म्हणून, because she is a candidate. हेजे वयर आनी कितें उलयतलो हांव? प्रोसेस तुका सांगलेलो आसा, जानू बाबान सेक्रेटरी आसा हिंगा, वी हॅव डन ऑल द प्रोसेस. आतां लास्ट maybe secretary will get a little bit of insight of what we had done, clarification. ग्राम सभा कितें जालें पळय तें
पंचायतीन कॉल केल्ली आमची रेग्युलर ग्राम सभा. इन दॅट ग्राम सभान ठराव घेतलो की पंचायत घर ते सुरू करचे पंचायतीन. ते रेजोल्युशना प्रमाणे मागीर आमी ब्लीच पंचायतीन रेजोल्युशन घेतलें आनी तें काम आतां आमी सुरू केलें. प्रोसेस फॉर फिलिंग ऑफ लँड आनी preparation of plans for proposed construction of Ghar. This process was started only after this month of May. Still, आता सगळे with all legal formalities, legal permissions, पंचायतान एक कोणाचो फावर नासता सारके proper manner, proper documentation आमी प्रिपरेशन केल्लें. हे प्रिपरेशन चालू आसतना अचानक आता हे स्टार्ट जालें. ऑपोजिशन विथआउट एनी डेजूच बोर्ड आमी घातलो. बोर्डाचेर आमी प्रॉपर बरयलें की बाबा कितें परमिशन, कितें एवॉर्ड, कितें सगळें, आनी देन ओन्ली वी स्टार्टेड द वर्क स्टार्ट करपाक विथ ऑल डिटेल्स, विथ एवरीथिंग. आनी मागीर हें सगळी स्टार्ट जाली विथ दीस 4 people who were in the ग्राम सभा टू पास द प्रपोजल फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाऊस. अमंग देम एकट्यान अशें केलें की ही पंचायत मोड आनी हेजेरूच बांद अशें सुद्दां तेणें प्रपोज केलो. ग्राम आमची ब्लीच पंचायत पळय जी आसा 2003 स्टार्ट जाल्ली. 2005 आमकां वन ऑफ द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग पंचायत म्हणून एवॉर्ड नंबर 1 मेळ्ळें गोवान. ही वॉज द सरपंच 2005 with all round activities, planning plus this acquisition for Panchayat Ghar. Yeah. Panchayat and the board सुद्धा आसा. Number 1 Panchayat 11 member body, number 1 Panchayat award मेळ्ळो.
That time Mr. Kandide was a member. तो सुद्धा member आसा, आता opposition करता तो. We was also part of that acquisition. आता कसं करू शकता?
Some farmers are also opposing this.
See, farmers are not opposing. They are forcing the farmers to make these statements. हांव एलिगेशन करता हें कित्याक लागून? आयज फार्मर्स आशिल्ले जाल्यार आमची पळय ही 5 मेंबरां आसा थोडी न्हू, दे आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द फार्मींग कम्युनिटी. आयज श्रीमंत आनी ग्रेस्तूच ना वचून ऑल कम्युनिटीज आर हियर एंड वी ट्रीट एवरीबडी इक्वल. दॅट इज द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ बाबूश एंड जेनिफर who has taught us what is to be done for the service of the people of Talegaon. आयज फार्मर्सांचें कितें इश्यू कितें आहा? आयज फार्मर्स क्लब म्हणटा ते वी आर डुईंग एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. सेक्रेटरी सांगतलो बाबा ती अंडर महात्मा गांधी स्कीम आसा पळय, वी हॅव गिवन देम 20 lakhs of rupees.
तिसवाडी ब्लॉकान आमी फर्स्ट आसा.
See, we are coming to the farmers. We don't advertise this to the people. मिशिनां घालपाक जावं बीन दिवपाक म्हणजे सीड्स जावं मॅन्युअर दिवपाक वी आर देर. बट हे कितें करता? ना आमी करता. ते गव्हर्मेंटाचेर सबसिडी हाडूंक सोदता आनी ते खाता. आयज हे फार्मर्स क्लब म्हणून थिंगा हॉर्टिकल्चर घातलो कोणें कांडिडोन. ही इज वन ऑफ दॅट. तें घर पळयत जाल्यार तेणें बांदलां पळय न्हू, तें हॉर्टिकल्चराक घातिल्लें. तें आयज थिंगा टी शॉप, लुकटां विकपाक, स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी. And you are building in the field and you are talking bad about this when you were there for this resolution. You were part of the member of this. So suddenly हे कितें जालें? Because हे opposition म्हणटा पळय ते हे 5 जाण भोंवता तालिगांव. So this is only a political game. Yeah.
Who are these people?
पळय एडवोकेट पुंडलीक रायकर, तूं ग्राम सभेक ती आमची हें सांगतली तुका आमची ग्राम सभा कशी जाता पळय ती माय डिप्युटी. बट बिफोर दॅट आय वील जस्ट टेल यू अनदर इन्सिडंट. 5 जाण तुका नांवांय दिता.
All punch members are nobody is opposing.
You can, they will also comment and you can talk to them individually what people of Talegaon has told them. आयज तर हें नाका आशिल्लें जाल्यार 1000 लोक आशिल्लो हिंगाचो रस्तो कितें पळय टी शर्टां घालता हिंगसरलो एकटो कोण आहा जाल्यार सांग आमकां भायली नाका हिंगा येवन सांगपाक बाबा वॉट वी नीड. दुसरो झेवियरान थिंगासर Airbnb म्हणून रूम्स काडला. इफ यू गो ऑनलायन यू वील गेट दॅट बुकींग. आयज बुकींग तूं शेतान कोत्ता आनी तूं सांगता हें शेतां पुरयना म्हणून. Hideout, I don't know. I don't go online.
What is that holiday home?
Holiday home. So
full paddy field disturbance.
this is a part of those fields what we have achieved. Because why we have come here, because that also I will tell you. See, when we do a planning, we look at a holistic village development. We don't do development one here, one in one corner and one in another corner. आयज हिंगा पळयत जाल्यार तूं सेंट्रलायज दीस इज अ सेंट्रल लोकेशन ऑफ तालिगांव. आयज दिरयो जाताल्यो हिंगा. आयज दिरयो ना बिकॉज ऑफ मेनका गांधी. आय एम नॉट क्रिटिसायझींग दॅट बट आयज हिंगा एक सेंटर हब आसा. आयज चर्च आसा, मार्केट आसा, पंचायत आसा, कम्युनिटी हॉल. दीस इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑल ओवर गोवा. एंड आई विल सी in our term with help of Madam Jennifer and Babush that this hall, Panchayat Ghar and market complex which is coming next will see the light of the day, because we are looking at amenities for the people. We under one roof. आयज फर्टायल लँड तर तालिगांव आसा. हांव एग्री करता. हांव कोमनिदादीक रिक्वेस्ट करता तुजी फर्टायल लँड कितली आहा ती सगळी कन्वर्ट हें कर, फर्टिलायज हें कर, कितें कर म्हणटा ती कल्टिवेशन कर. ती कित्याक करिना? तूं हेज्या 2 सर्वे नंबराच्या फाटल्यान आनी एकट्याक लागून तूं हिंगासर बोबाड मारता. आख्या तालिगांव कोमनिदाद लँड एंड इट वील बी नेवर कन्वर्टेड बट इट्स अ गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट. तूं कितें भाटां घेवंक वयतलो? वॉट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ लँड in Talegaon today? And what is the acquisition process today? 3 times.
Is Talegaon Komnidad?
Which one?
This is Talegaon.
Yes. Talegaon कोमनिदादीन सगळीं शेतां आहा पळय इट्स कोमनिदाद लँड. इट वील बी नेवर कन्वर्टेड. म्हाज्या रोगतान बरोवन दिता तुका हांव. हे तुका एलिगेशन करता पळय दीज आर पॉलिटिकल. आयज आमी पंचायत बॉडी हें करता काम. बाबुशाचें नांव, मोन्सेराताचें नांव एलिगेशन करता. कित्याक? बिकॉज दे कॅनॉट सी द डेव्हलपमेंट वॉट दे हॅव डन. आय हॅव कम फ्रॉम टॉप टू डावन एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू वॉट वी हॅव डन इन तालिगांव. आतां कोण म्हणटा हें तें पार्किंग लॉट केला पळय तें पयलें हें केलेलें म्हण. इट इज नॉट. इट इज देर. पार्किंग लॉट इज मेंट फॉर पब्लीक. इट वील रिमेन फॉर पब्लीक एंड इट वील रिमेन फॉर एवर फॉर द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव. पंचायत घर बाबुशाचें जातलें. पंचायत घर मोन्सेराताचें मॅडमीचें जातलें. These are the allegation what they are making. So this is a clarification I am giving because people also believe आयज लोक कितें भायर सरना कोविडाक लागून. आयज थिंगा भितर बसून ते फेसबूक आनी हेंच पळयता कोण ताळयो मारता आसतले. बिकॉज देर आर सी in a political, since we are in a political situation, see there are opposition. We are not suppressing opposition. There is people who will support them. Whoever may be support, let us fight that election on the battlefield.
Development being done. Yeah, you see in many panchayats how their buildings are well formed. They have a post office inside. They have a library inside. Why can't we do it? Why are you objecting to it? Please help us to go and influence these people to not make all these problems.
This is the first time that Talegaon came into the belt in entire work. They are acquiring the agricultural land. So how you see for that?
See,
because never before we never heard such like Talegaon coming into the bed name or something.
बाबा आयज डेव्हलपमेंट जाता पळय न्हू म्हापशां कितले लाखूच एक्वायर केल्ले आहा गव्हर्मेंटान टू मेक अ सिटी. आर यू अवेर अबाउट इट ऑर यू आर नॉट अवेर? You are aware. So why are you bringing Talegaon into picture, where government has acquired lakhs of rupees to have a city hub? Why are you saying Talegaon? Because don't make it into a political battlefield. We are going to fight that battlefield on the field, not by suppressing what is doing all this. As acquisition rate, you know what is the rate? 3 times the acquired land. Can you acquire a land? I think दाखोय सांग मरे हुंचे भाटकाराची हा पळय ती तांची हा जाल्यार दी सांग आमकां, which they are not ready to do. They are there to only to oppose. She also will tell you how a Gram Sabhas conduct. She is my deputy Rega पळय.
आज जे म्हणजे अपोज करताली पळय तितुले कोण ओनर आसा भितर
नाव कितें आनी तेतुंतले कितें वयता थंय
Cultivation, the main thing.
See, आयज कोण आशिल्ले पळय कोणूच ना. तुका सांगले मरे तुका दोग जाणांची हांवें सांगले मरे.
Who is the landowner?
There is a list of landowners that are there, but none of them were present. At the most, you will see one lady who used to come over there, but today she was also not there.
That part doesn't belong to Comunidad.
It is Comunidad, but there are tenants to it.
Tenants.
Okay, so it is tenanted land, and we have got permission from the Comunidad in 2004.
But any compensation has been given.
Everything is paid. That's why that award is come. आयज पळय थिंगा कितें एडवोकेट आयज दोग जाण आशिल्ले, पुंडलीक रायकार आनी आल्बेर्तीन. ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू देयर एडवोकेसी, डोंट मेक हांव म्हणना तें एलिगेशन, बट वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू से इज एवरीथींग इज ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट. आयज थिंगा मामलादार येयलो, तेणें सांगलें ताका वेर इज द विटनस काय म्हणपाक, तेणें 2 विटनस दाखयले. सेक्रेटरी तुवें पोजेशन घेतलें, सेक्रेटरीन सांगलें येस आय वॉज देर एंड ही इज लिवींग हियर. For me to make an allegation, if he was not there, then it would have been a different thing. They are making laughing stock of themselves. They are trying their thing not to have it. We want our Panchayat Ghar, we will have it.
A tenant.
Why the farmer is not saying that they are saying that they didn't get the compensation only?
They got the compensation, they can go and collect it.
Any record is there of the compensation has been paid? Because they are saying nothing.
आमचे पळय चॅक
EDC ना ते पयशे.
पयशे EDCन आसा.
They did not accept the
तुका तुमकां कोणाक डॉक्युमेंट जाय पळय ते सगळे डॉक्युमेंट आसा हिंगा.
केन्ना जाल्लेले कंपॅरिजन 2007
2000
They are not accepted, no?
they have not
6,
accepted.
yeah.
They have accepted the check or they have not accepted?
They did not accept.
सो वो तो सीसीजन आरोप केलो तुमचेर की तुम्ही काय दाखयना तेंकां आमी कितें
अरे बाबा हांव सांगता ते पंचायत हिंगा लागीं आसा. दे आर एट द गेट. दे शूड हॅव कम इफ यू वॉन्टेड. ते वयता PDN सोदपाक, GPPDN. अप्रुवल कशें दिलें? डिप्युटी कलेक्टरान वयता ते बाबा तेजे डॉक्युमेंट खंय आसा? वॉट इज देर? यू ऑल आर विलेजर्स फ्रॉम हियर, नो? यू शूड हॅव कम एंड क्लॅरिफायड. सेक्रेटरी से
Instead of Cecil saying that, it should be the landowners who are saying that. What has Cecil got to do with that land?
आयज
No one has come here.
आयज ते पळय लँड ओनर्स आसा पळय ते लँड ओनर्स आमकां येवन मेवलेले आसा.
They have seen the documents, sir. Some of the landowners have come here.
They have
Gone to the
accepted.
file.
They have accepted and it is हे फोर्स करता घरा वचून बाबा यो तूं तांकां सपोर्ट जाव. ऑपोजिशन ऑफ 4 against 30,000 people.
एक झडपी कॅन्डिडेट आहा म्हणजे इलेक्शन मध्ये
That is for the government to see. This is open forum now. She is a candidate. आमी कांय कंप्लेन करूं ना and we are not interested. We want to fight because आमकां पळय कितें आसता न्हू भविश्याक एक आमची एक पर्सेंटेज आसता काम करपाची. When it is election we are 1000%. When it is elections we are 1000%. Each and every person works. Each and every houses work. हे पळय हे ओन्ली आसतलींच एलिगेशनां ही करता पळय कोण ऑपोजिशन करता. इट वॉज इन 2010 बट सेक्रेटरी ट्रान्सफर जालो तेन्ना एंड दॅट प्रोसेस रिमेन्ड. सी एंड दॅट प्रोसेस स्टार्टेड अगेन इन 14 ऑल्सो. बट हे पळय हिंगा आसा कोणाक जाय जाल्यार तुमकां सगळे डॉक्युमेंट दिता. वी वर नॉट स्लिपींग ऑन इट. सी इट इज अ प्रोसेस. आयज तूं जाणा गव्हर्मेंटाक तूं फॉलो करना जाल्यार ती फायल फुडें जायना. Then again in 14 I think we made another letter, no? Chief Town Planner. But तेणी कितें सांगलें, it is not my jurisdiction, you go back to Tiswadi. Tiswadi knows वयता ते म्हणपाक लागले no it is not my jurisdiction, you go to GPPD.
Not planning.
So when we took over, we are eager to work, we are eager to do something, create a niche for the Aligaon people, create a benchmark for the Aligaon people. So we started that process again.
So how much amount has been paid for the aid from total?
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
And it is check EDC कडे आसा.
Which
amount is
total
like
4 lakhs is the per hand you paid.
No, see, acquisition केन्ना केल्लें बाबा?
एरिया कितली ती
6,165. 125, sorry. So this acquisition was done in 2000, started in 2004. So तेन्ना पळय compensation कितें आसलेलें, we are looking at 16 years back. Acquisitionाचो rate कितें आशिल्लो, ते government rate न्हू, कमी आशिल्लो. So see, everyone knows that it is acquired. They have accepted it. तांचो एक डिमांड आशिल्लो, जाता जाल्यार आमकां कितें award दिवचो म्हणून. So that was the reason they had put that application, and ते आमकां कितें enhancement मेळचें म्हणून government कडल्यान. So it is for them to pursue it. It is a government body. I cannot do. I am a guardian. हांवच governmentaचेर against करतलो. So it is a process. It is a body, authority. Secretary is there. You can verify whatever you need it here.
So how much land has been acquired?
6,125.
And sir, earlier, government, this Kumnidat property, government has taken this acquisition has been done for 2 rupees per square meter also.
Finally,
Because she
I was
was.
working for as a secretary.
Final question from my side. What will be the final stand from the Talegaon Panchayat?
We want a
We
panchayat.
want the panchayat. We all want panchayat.
I तुका पळय सगल्यो.
We need it actually.
We were just discussing earlier. There are in certain Porvorim and all. There are 2-3 panchayat म्हणजे facility. आमची एकूच आसा ही.
What will be there? What facilities will be there?
There are एक कडेन 2 आसा. आमकां एक पंचायत घर दिवपाक आनी करपाक आमकां हक ना. आमचे पंचायतीन आमचे पंचायत बरें ऑफिस आसचें म्हण आमकां रायट ना. आमकां एम्युनिटीज दिवपाक लोकांक हक ना. हू सेज दॅट वी कॅन नॉट डू. हें आहा म्हणटा आमी बेजमेंटान आसा. यू सी इफ दीस पीपल कम फॉर आवर सर्वीस एंड पीपल गो हॅपिली. बट हांव म्हणटा की आमच्या पंचायत घर आसलें म्हणून तितून आमची लायब्ररी, पोस्ट ऑफिस,
These people will come to us.
all these amenities will be there. Health. आयज पंचायत घर आसलें म्हणटकूच थिंगा एक कॉन्फरन्स रूम आसतलो फॉर मिटिंग्स.
भुरग्यांक
लायब्ररी जाय.
सोशल वेलफेअर आसा, सोशल बायलांक लागून.
आयज कितें आहा पळय सिनियर्सांक आनी भुरग्यांक आमचे कडेन ना. आमी एक काजा दिपो हॉल केल्लो. काजा दिपो हॉल केल्लो फॉर दीस टायप ऑफ एम्युनिटीज. एंड दीज आर फॅसिलिटीज वी नीड. आतां थिंगा आमी एक पंचायत इंडोर स्टेडियम प्रपोज केला. थिंगासरूच हेजोच ऑब्जेक्शन पुंडलीक रायकराचो. आतां थिंगा कुशीक. सी द एलिगेशन देर इज वॉट. तूं कित्याक तें एक्वायर करता. तेजे कुशीक तेणी हा पळय एग्रीकल्चर आसलेलें तें उदीक बोत्ता पंपान आनी हॉटेलांक विकता. You go and have a look there, no?
Coming back to this project. So
No, I want to make a statement on that. It's good you reminded me on that. I stand by तेजेर objection हाडटा तो, but that same owner is pumping water from that ground water. Ground water करून आपल्याचें शेत आसलेलें तें बाट केलें. Same way what they have done. See, these people can do and we cannot do a panchayat घर. He is challenging that.
So make a mod.
Of course,
so,
if
make a mod, the project will be on.
It will be 100% on. I told you in our term we would like to shift it over there, and my staff is also crammed up there. They will be having proper facility. It is under planning stage, and Chief Architect Mervyn Gomes, and the letter is already gone to PWD office. It is here to the Principal Chief Engineer Parsekar. It is already processed. We had a meeting last Tuesday, Secretary, with MLA, Amchi Minister. What we want to do, because we are having 2 projects in the pipeline. One is this, one is the Panchayat Ghar. I don't want to have duplication of amenities here and there. So ultimately it is revenue to the people of Talegaon.